Yes, alright. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our second set here at the Pagkatangan Subjects Hub. Thank you for staying with us.
Nais ko ay magpakilala sa iyo at ipahiwati ang nilalaman ng puso ko. Maunawaan mo kaya o baka sampalin mo lang ang aking mukha. Nagdadalawang isip na huwag na lang kaya huwag na lang kaya nais ko ay ialay sa iyo ang puso ko na umiibig sa iyo. Ngunit di mo na yata kailangan ang ganyan. Meron ka na yata kasintahan, naninikip ang tiyan. Huwag na lang kaya huwag na lang kaya kung hindi mo na yata kailangan ng ganyan. Meron ka na yata kasintahan, naninikip ang tiyan. Huwag na lang kaya huwag na lang kaya huwag na lang kaya
Thank you so much. And that song belongs to True Faith. Kaya pwede po kayo mag-request mga madam. Boss, mag-request po kayo or makijump dito sa amin. Pwede po Hello po. Pwede po kayo mag-request at makijump. Sa ating mga live viewers, good evening.
Na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin.
Welcome po.
Sinabi sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan sumaan. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Umasa ka, maghihintay ako kahit kailan. At kahit na umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay Bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
Yes, writing so much in that songs by First Circle. And now we give you the song by Dila.
Landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Dumilig man ng paligid at ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko. Bakit ikaw sayang-sayaw? Bakit ikaw bibitaw? Sayang-sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Hindi na mapakali, puso'y nagmamadaling lambingin at suyuin ka. O aking giliw ako'y iyo. Kahit pamantalisod, mapagod at bumigay ako, o di ako hihinto. mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Nauuhaw, naliligaw, naliligaw, umiiyaw, nalulunod sa karapatan, luto ng pagkatao mo. Nakakatulala bawat bigas ng labi mo. Nauuhaw, sumisigaw. Sayaw-sayaw, bakit ikaw hindi bibitaw? Ang sayaw-sayaw, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika dito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw.
Sure, thank you so much. And that song belongs to Yellow. Ayan, sino po yung nagbe-birthday ngayong gabi? May celebrate po ba? Birthday niya. Ba't hindi ka nagsasabi na birthday mo pala ngayon? Ay, nako. Nabahagian sana kami ng spaghetti dyan at saka ano, samyupsal. Happy birthday, madam. Ano pangalan ni madam? Barbie?
Sai,
Sai? Ah.
kantahan muna natin sa madam ng
Alright!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Welcome po.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, happy birthday, Madam Sai. Ayan, kanta ka na dito. Yan, pwede po kayong kumanta dito. Ayan, welcome po kila Sir June. Hi, Sir June and ang family. Ayan,
Yeah.
mga kaibigan natin yan.
Yan, pwede po kayong mag-request at pwede rin po kayong makijam here with us.
Yes. Makijam po kayo, ha? Wala pong mahihiya. Tayo-tayo lang naman.
Yes,
Wala
that's
pong masyado nakakarinig. Alright.
Anyways, now we give you the song by Magnus.
Ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo hanggat walang nagre-request. Kung may request po, pakisulat na lang po sa isang pirasong papel.
Yes, that's right.
Antayin namin. At sa ating mga live viewers, syempre, partner, pwede silang mag-request.
That's right.
Hi, Kuya Neil! Kamusta na ka kami ang ulit?
Daya ng isipan, pabalik sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang balikan, patuloy ka lang masasantan. Di mo lang kakaisip sa isang magkalarawan. Paulit-ulit na biglang panggit ang pagkat ng nagkasanayan. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi dinadana. Gusto nang pinahin itong mundo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtago, ngunit hindi dinadana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isang design. Bumalik ang dating nating pagsasama. Ang tamis ng iyong halik ay di na madarama. Ako sa isa't isa na di na mabubuhay pa. Alam sa ating pag-ibig na minsa'y pinag-isa. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi dinadhana. Sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtapo, ngunit hindi dinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi
Kuya Neil, pwede kayo mag-request?
sa isa't isa.
Welcome sa mga guest natin ngayong gabi. Welcome sa pagdalayan ng Summer Song. Shout out Sir Bongan ng Kuya Gasa. Aking pinsan. Madaling.
Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Pag-ibig na ating sinayang pinagtapo, ngunit hindi dinadhana. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagkapo, ngunit hindi dinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi.
Good evening and welcome sa Pagdanang. Hello, enjoy the night.
Sa isa't isa.
Ayan. Ayan, welcome po sa mga bagong dating nating guests. Ayan, enjoy lang po kayo. Hello. Ating mga kaibigan. Hello po. Ayan, at once again, happy birthday kay Ma'am Sai. Give the song something from Santis Lola.
Para'y basang-basa ang takit na may damang-dama sa aking kanan. Punong-puno na nananabik at ng kaba.
Ayan, meron tayo. Sister Nadia, meron. Halika po. Ayan. Ayan.
Okay.
Ano po kanta, sir?
Kaya mo kumagdala 8 days? Yes. Good. I should have been there. Oh, yung kaya niyo daw.
Duet,
Night!
duet.
Night! Sige.
Ayan.
Ang ganda mo niya, ate, ha? Ano yung look mo? Napakabata mo kasi. Para abot yung 80s class mo. Tonight po.
Here's a song from People Crazy. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seemed a natural thing to do.
No one's gonna find us.
Kaya ba?
We'll leave the world behind us.
When I make love to you, tonight I celebrate my love for you, and hope that deep inside you feel it too.
Tonight, the spirit will be climbing the sky with diamonds.
When I make love to you tonight.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
Ooh,
Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
what I want most to do is to get close to you tonight. Tonight I celebrate my love for you,
Ganyan, kaya.
and soon this old world will see brand new.
Tonight, we will both discover our friends turn into lovers.
When I make love to you tonight,
I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
ooh,
Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
what I want most to do is to get close to you tonight. I celebrate my love for you tonight. Sure, thank you so much, sir. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Ang galing.
Ang galing nyo rin po. Thank you. Ayan, no? Mamaya po ulit, sir, ha?
Yeah.
Ayan. Ayan, enjoy the night here na pagnanangay ng Samyapsal. Ayan, hope you having fun. At sa ating mga live viewers, hello kuya. Ayan, pwede ka mag-request. Ayan, sa ibang mga table, baka po may mga gusto rin kumanta.
Now we give you the song by George Benson.
Ayan sa ating mga live viewers. Good evening.
I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I
Enjoy the
can
night.
show you
what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the train that keeps unraveling the dead? It ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love so alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. You warned me that life changes, that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, I found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love so alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love so alive. You and I, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. Thank you.
Sure, thank you so much. Kaya baka po may mga requests or gusto makijump sa amin. Pwede po kayo mag-request, mga bossing, mga madam. We will give you songs up there from Menudo. Sarap to. Ayaw ko kaldereta. Menudo. Ha, sir? Yes. Alam na ni sir. Sige ka, sister eh.
Gotta catch the plane at 7:30. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Time is running out and I'm still waiting. And so once without you I could die. Yesterday you said you love me. Everything seems to be fine. Today that I'm here, I'm so lonely. It's the waiting that's driving me out of my mind. Don't you have seen in that big city? How can I perform if you're not there? This will be the words of all your journeys. The image of your face will follow me everywhere. I need your tender kisses to feel of your hands together.
song. Sabi ng live viewers, pwede po kayo mag-request. Alright. Ayan, sa tulong mga table natin, baka po may mga request kayo or baka gusto makijam sa amin, pwede po kayo makijam, ha? Huwag pong mahihiya. Alright. Once again, happy birthday kay Ate Sai. Alright. This song is for you.
Some people live their dreams. Some people close their eyes. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees. There are no alibis. That's how our love must be. Don't ask why. It takes some time. God knows how long. I know that I can't forget you as soon as my heart stops breaking. Anticipating as soon as forever is true, I'll be over you. Remembering times gone by, promises we won't make. What are the reasons why nothing stays the same? There were the nights holding you close. Someday I'll try to forget them as soon as my heart stops breaking. Anticipating as soon as forever is true, I'll be over
symbol of my faith in who I am. You are my only. And I must follow the road that lies ahead. And I won't let my heart control my head. But you are my only. And we don't say goodbye. And we don't say goodbye. And I know what I'd like to be. In my talent, I make my journey to eternity. I keep the memory of you and me inside. Fulfill your destiny. Yeah. It's there within the child. My star will never end. My fate is on the way. The king of pain, the joker's wine. And we don't say goodbye. And we don't say goodbye. I'll make them all memories. 'Cause I have found a dream that must come true. Everyone's on me must see it true. But you are my only. I'm sorry I don't have a role left to play. And over my heart I'll find my way. I will make them new to me. In my talent, there is a vision and a fire in me. I keep the memory of you and me inside. And we don't say goodbye. And we don't say goodbye. With all my love for you and what else we may do. We don't say goodbye.
Cheryl, thank you so much, and that song belongs to Celine Dion and Bee Gees.
Now we give you the song by Stylistics.
My love, I'll never find the words, my love, to tell you how I feel, my love. Many words could not explain. Precious love, you held my life within your hands, created everything I am, taught me how to live again.
Only you for you, filled with gratitude and love. God bless you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song for you. Make me feel brand new.
My love, whenever I was insecure, you built me up and made me sure. You gave my pride back to me. Precious friend, with you I always had a friend. You're someone who I can't depend to walk a path that sometimes bends.
Without you, life has no meaning or rhyme. Like a nose to a song out of time. How can I repay you for having faith in me? God bless you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song for you. You make me feel brand new.
Yes, we're writing so much in that songs by the
Stylistics. Ayan, we will give you our last two songs na lang po. For this set, and standby, we have one more set to go, guys. Ayan, halika sir. Duet tayo ulit.
You and I.
You and I.
Just to kill it.
Chris.
Well, yeah,
Nag-aaralan ka pa po.
nakapagtaka ka.
Bakit naman po?
Hindi kasi,
Senior na po ako, senior.
ang galing ng pagkakataon.
Ah, senior. That's all right, yours.
Just you and I,
Wait.
sharing our love together. Right in time, You and I,
Yes, you and I.
we can trust each other. With you in my life,
With you in my life.
there'll never be another. We'll be alright. Just you and I. Remember the first embrace. This moment was all your face. The promise is that we made. Now your love is my reward. I love you even more than you did before. We made it, you and
Cheryl, thank you so much.
Actually belong. Actually belong. Actually belong.
Upper we belong.
Oo, ganda. Ang dami mong alam. Ilang age na ba?
Handa na ako, senior na po.
Mukha mo kasi bata pa.
Hula niyo po.
Pero Richie, ba't yun na? Kaya mo konti na bang ang tangihan, ha? Masarap mo
Nagpatalo. Yes. I love music. Who knows what tomorrow brings?
Wow, good times.
In a world few hearts survive.
all I know is to what I feel
Joke Crooker.
when it's real.
Crooker ba tayo?
We're alive. The road is long. There are mountains in our way, but we climb a step every day. The winters are where we belong, where the eagles fly on the mountain high. The winters are where we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear wind blows.
Galing. Joke. Cocker.
And only used to be
Ikaw gulat pa si Kuya.
little lights looking behind.
All we have is here and now. All our lives and dare to find.
Each long there are mountains in our way, but we climb a step every day. The winters are where we belong, where the eagles fly on a mountain high. The winters are where we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear wind blows. alive. Yeah, there's somewhere we belong, where the eagles fly on the mountain high. There's somewhere we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear wind blows. There's somewhere we belong, where the eagles fly on the mountain high. There's somewhere we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear wind blows.
Yes, sir! Thank you so much! Ang galing talaga ni sir. Ayan, mamaya po ulit sabi ang third set.
Tama ako ganyan, pero sana nawala. Okay.
Alright, we'll give you our last song. And it's called We've Got Tonight by Kenny Rogers.
She next.
She is nasa ating mga live viewers. Shout out po sa inyo. Hi. Thank you so much.
Know it's late. I know you're weary. I know your plans don't include me. Still here we are, both of us lonely, and longing for shelter from all that we see. Why should we worry? No one will care, girl. Look at the stars now, so far away. We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, baby. Why don't you stay?
Deep in my soul, I've been so lonely. All of my heart fading away. I'm longing for your love, like everyone else does. I know I can something I'm done today.
So there it is, girl. We've got it all now.
And here we are, without your side. We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
I know it's late and I know you're weary. I know your plans don't include me. Both of us are lonely. Both of us are lonely. We've got tonight.
How needs tomorrow?
Let's make it last.
Let's find a way.
Turn out the light.
Come take my hand now.
We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
Sure, thank you so much. Ayan, may request tayo. Pagbigyan natin ang kanilang request na All all or nothing, and this is our last song for this set. May isa pa po kami set tayo, standby lang po. Wala po muna aalis. And sa ating mga live viewers, thank you so much for watching. May isa pa po kami set.
This song's for you.
And thank you, Sir June and family for coming. Thank you po.
I know when he's been on your mind, the distant look is in your eyes. I thought with time you'd realize it's over, over. It's not the way I choose to live, and something somewhere's got to give. I share in this relationship gets older, older. You know I'd fight for you, but how can I find someone who isn't even dead? I've had a rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing at all. There are times it seems to me I'm sharing you in memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it, show it. And then there's times you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. Those times I don't believe it's right. I know it, know it. Don't make me promises, baby, you never did know how to keep them well. I've had a rest of you, now I want the best of you. It's time to show and tell, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing, 'cause you and I could lose it all if you've got no more room, no more inside for me in your life. 'Cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall. It's now or never. Is it all or nothing at all? There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing at all. Oh.
Alright, thank you so much.
That's your request.
request. Ayan. Stand by, we have one more set to go, guys. And thank you so much.